Please read the safety instructions in the user manual before assembling the desk. The AndaSeat Xtreme standing desk comes in 2 boxes, one for the desktop and one for the frame and hardware. Carefully unpack the 2 boxes. Lay out all parts and compare them with the manual's parts list to check you've received everything needed. Use the 4mm hex key to loosen the pre-installed M6 10mm screws on the support beams. Then extend them to align with the desktop in the upcoming steps. Flip the left leg upside down and hold it upright. Align the table foot with the leg. Then tighten it using the 4mm hex key and M6 18mm screws. Align one of the support beams with the legs. Make sure its 2 holes are in the center and face outward. Then tighten the support beam with the 5mm hex key and M8 50mm screws. Repeat the same steps with the other support beam. Attach the 2 brackets to each end of the support beams with the 4mm hex key and M6 12mm screws. Loosen the 2 nuts on the drive rod so that the hex rod can be easily extended. Insert the hex rod fully into the left leg and hold it firmly. Then extend the other end onto the motor shaft of the right leg. Once both ends are aligned, tighten the nuts on both sides. Now place the desktop upside down. Use the ST 3.5 16mm screws and screwdriver to attach the headphone holder, control panel, and cup holder to the desktop. Hold the frame by the legs and brackets and flip it over to carefully place on the desktop. Make sure the motorized right leg is on the same side as the control panel. If it's necessary to adjust the drive rod, loosen this nut, hold the rod firmly, move the other end out or in, then retighten the nut. Once aligned, use the M6 18mm screws and 4mm hex key to fix the brackets to the desktop. Next, place the L brackets against the support beams and desktop. And secure them with the M6 14mm screws and 4mm hex key. Repeat on the other side. Then reinstall the M6 10mm screws on the support beams. Align the cable tray with the desktop and fix it with the M6 14mm screw and 4mm hex key. With one person on each side, grab the desk legs and carefully tilt the desk to a 90 degrees position. Hold the desk by the desktop and legs, then gently tilt it to the upright position. Now remove the fixing ring of the pop-out socket. Insert it through the desktop. Then put the fixing ring back on and tighten. Now connect the cable on the leg to the power adapter. Connect the power adapter to the control panel. Then connect the motor cable to the control panel. When all cables are connected, carefully place the power adapter into the cable tray. Plug the pop-out socket to the outlet on the left leg. And use the cable ties to fix the cable to the other side of the desktop. Connect the power cable to the leg socket and plug it into your outlets. Now your Xtreme standing desk is ready for use.